Hey everybody, it's the handbag hauler here, coming to you with another video. This is not a handbag haul, as you can see. Before I get into the video, please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for my notifications. So really quick, I'm gonna show you the Dollar General small haul that I did today. So I'll just go through this really quick. So this one, I wanted to get the big Solabella, the 4-pack. I got some other stuff on here, but I just wanted to show you that for this transaction, if you can see that, I only paid $1 for that big disposable razor. So it was originally $5, had a coupon for $4 off, and bringing this to $1. That was one transaction. I had to go to 2 different stores because they didn't have everything that I needed. So this second transaction right here, this was $6 and I want to say 40 cents. It came to a little bit more because I got something extra on here, which was a charger for my son's phone. But actually they gave me some money off of the charger. I see I wrote all over this. So the charger was $7. They gave me $2.08 off. I got the Unstoppable, which was $4. I got a store discount of 59 cents, a manufacturer's coupon of $2, bringing this to $1.41. This was the same thing, $1.41. The Flintstones chewables was $5. Same thing pretty much. I paid $1.41 for the Flintstone chewables. And then the Airwick here, it was originally $3.35. I ended up paying $1.30 for it. And then the Gillette Sensory 3, it was $5.95, and I ended up paying $1.35 for it with $4.60 in coupons. So this is the small haul that I did today from Dollar General. You still have time to go out there today, and this is doing it without the $5 off $25. So these prices may still be good tomorrow. I'm not sure exactly when the sale ends. It may end today because the new coupons come out for DG and P&G. So just want to come to you with this quick little haul here to let you know you still got time to go out there and do something today. Thank you all for joining me. Remember, if you're new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for my notifications, and I will see you on my next video.